everyone. Welcome back to Deco Diva, where we bring you the best in home decor inspiration. Today, we're diving into the world of spring tablescapes, a perfect way to bring elegance and warmth into your dining room this season. Whether you're hosting a brunch, a dinner party, or just want to refresh your space, I've got you covered with beautiful ideas that are easy to recreate. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it inspiring. Share your thoughts in the comments below, we love hearing your ideas. Now, grab a cup of tea and let's jump into today's topic. Spring is all about fresh, vibrant colors, so let's start with the foundation, your color palette. For a soft, elegant look, think pastels like blush pink, mint green, and baby blue. These hues create a calming atmosphere while adding a pop of spring freshness. Alternatively, if you want something more dramatic, pair neutral tones like beige or cream with bold floral accents in coral or yellow. The key is to balance vibrant colors with muted tones for a cohesive look. Your tablecloth sets the stage for your entire tablescape. A crisp white linen cloth is a classic choice that works with any theme, but don't shy away from experimenting with floral prints or pastel hues for a more seasonal vibe. If you're going for a modern look, consider layering a runner over a solid-colored tablecloth. The runner can introduce textures like lace, burlap, or even a metallic sheen to add depth and personality. A stunning centerpiece can transform your table. For spring, fresh flowers like tulips, daffodils, or peonies are perfect for capturing the season's essence. Arrange them in a simple glass vase or a rustic wooden box for a charming look. If flowers aren't your thing, try a mix of candles, greenery, and decorative items like ceramic bunnies or eggs. Grouping items of varying heights can create a visually appealing focal point. When it comes to plates, go for a mix of elegance and simplicity. White porcelain is always a safe choice, but you can elevate the look with plates that have delicate patterns or gold trim. For an added layer of sophistication, place a charger underneath your dinner plates. Metallic chargers in gold or silver can add a luxurious touch, while wooden chargers are perfect for a rustic vibe. Napkins are a small detail that can make a big impact. Opt for cloth napkins in complementary colors or prints that tie into your overall theme. Add a personal touch with creative napkin rings. Think floral-inspired designs, metallic finishes, or even DIY rings using ribbon and seasonal accents like sprigs of lavender. Glassware is where functionality meets style. For a spring tablescape, clear glasses with etched designs or pastel-tinted goblets can make a statement. Don't forget to include a mix of water, wine, or cocktail glasses, depending on the occasion. The sparkle of clean, elegant glassware enhances the overall dining experience. Layering is key to creating visual interest. Start with your tablecloth, add a runner, and then layer your plates, napkins, and cutlery. The more depth you create, the more luxurious your tablescape will feel. You can also use textured elements like woven placemats, velvet napkins, or ceramic dishes to add variety and dimension to your setup. Spring is the season of renewal, so embrace it with seasonal touches. Incorporate elements like faux bird nests, pastel-colored eggs, or tiny potted plants as part of your decor. These little accents bring a sense of whimsy and charm, making your tablescape uniquely festive. They're also great conversation starters for guests. Lighting can make or break your ambience. For an elegant spring vibe, opt for soft, warm lighting. Candles in varying heights or fairy lights can add a magical touch to your table. If your dining room has a chandelier, consider hanging a floral garland around it to enhance the spring theme. The combination of light and flowers creates an enchanting effect. Don't overlook the final details. Personalized place cards, small party favors, or even handwritten menus can elevate your tablescape and show your guests how much thought you've put into the experience. Remember, your tablescape should reflect your personality and style, so have fun with it. The little touches make all the difference. And there you have it, 12 tips for creating an elegant spring tablescape that's sure to impress your guests. I hope you're feeling inspired to transform your dining room into a seasonal masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Deco Diva, give it a thumbs up, and let us know your favorite tip in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more home decor inspiration. Bye for now.